Question 5. Sean is packing these 2 boxes with food collected during his school's canned food drive. Which expression represents the total volume of the 2 boxes? So we need to find the volume of each box, and then we're going to total that up by adding those 2 together. So recall, to find the volume of a box, it's length times width times height. So let's look at the small box first. And it doesn't really matter which one is length, width, and height, because it doesn't matter the order you multiply. But I will tell you, typically my preference is I'm going to multiply the binomials together first. So I'm going to do x plus 3 times x plus 5. And then whatever I get from that, I'm going to multiply by 3x. Purely a preference thing. X times x is x squared. X times positive 5 is positive 5x. Distribute the 3, that's 3x plus 15. We've got like terms in the middle. 5x plus 3x is 8x. And then we're going to take all of that and we're going to multiply it by 3x. So 3x times x squared is 3x to the third. 3x times 8x is 24x squared. And 3x times 15 is 45x. So this is the half of our answer. But obviously it doesn't really help us narrow it down just yet. So now we're going to find the volume of our large box. Same exact process, different numbers. So we're going to multiply the binomials together first. And then whatever we get from that, we're going to multiply it by 2x. 3x times 4x is 12x squared. 3x times negative 8, negative 24x. 9 times 4x is 36x. And 9 times negative 8, negative 72. Combine our like terms in the middle. Negative 24 plus 36 is positive 12x. And plus the 72. And then we're going to add to that this expression over here. No, hold on a second. No, I'm not. I had a moment there. What did we forget to do? We forgot to take this and multiply it by the 2x right up here. I was panicking for a second because it did not look like I was going to get the right answer. But when I distribute the 2x, I get 24x to the third. 2x times 12x is 24x squared, and 2x times 72 is 144x. So now we can combine like terms. 24x to the third and 3x to the third. That's going to give us 27x to the third. So we know right off the bat this should be our answer. But let's just verify it. 24x squared plus 24x squared is 48x squared. And then finally, 144x plus 44x doesn't give me, oh, and I know why. This was a minus 72, which means this was a minus 144. 45 minus 144 does give us negative 99. And that's why it's good to check your answer, even though it looked like that was the only possible choice. Sometimes you'll find a mistake from earlier in the program.